Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be reviewing Stake, an Australian stockbroker that allows its customers to trade the US stock market. You'll be able to have access to 3,500 different US stocks and ETFs. You'll also pay $0 commission per trade. That's buy and sell. Sounds good, right? Hold on, we'll go over some things first. So what I'd like to walk through is the main features of Stake, some of the fees that you're going to incur when using the platform, and then I'll walk through some improvements followed by some positives, and then I'll finish off with my final review of the platform. Also, stick around because I'm going to tell you how to get free stock by joining up to Stake. So that gets you a stock in either GoPro, Nike, or Dropbox. Whilst there are no hidden fees with Stake, there are definitely fees that you should be aware of before trading with them. First off, we're going to cover their brokerage packs. Now, they've been working on these brokerage packs for quite some time, just trying to work out a model that best suits their customers and also allows them to make a little bit more money. The first starter pack we'll go over is $0 a month. This will allow you to trade $0 commission for US stocks. However, there's one caveat that's pretty tricky, and that's the market orders only. That means you're not going to be able to set the price that you want when you enter the trade into the market. You'll just get whatever you're given. And if you're trading prior to the market open, that could be anything. The second tier is the unlimited, $9 a month. It's basically the same features as the other one, except you've got possibly good to close orders coming soon, continual enhancements, whatever they are, and the biggest kicker is that you'll be able to set a limit and a stop for advanced orders. Okay? Everything else is kind of trivial. Finally, the $19 a month black tier. The main kicker for this is the ability to day trade on unsettled funds. Sounds pretty good. But you're going to want to be trading a bit to justify that $19 a month fee. They have been very generous and they have extended the trial period for these brokerage packages up until January 2021 due to the COVID-19 virus. Now is a perfect time to see which of these packages will best suit for your trading. If you've got more than $30,000 in your account, that will allow you access to the black tier and trial that. Once you first open your account, you will automatically have your W8 BEN form completed for you by Stake. How does Stake make their money then if all they're doing is charging these brokerage packs and they haven't even started doing that yet? Okay, hold on. So foreign currency is pretty much their primary way of making money at the moment. So every time you transfer your Australian dollars over to US dollars, they're getting a little bit of that, okay? It's about 70 cents US per $100 that you transfer over, okay? And this will happen when you bring the money back again. However, once the money is transferred into US dollars, you can play with that money as much as you like. You're not going to be incurring any foreign exchange fees, okay? I'll go through this a bit later in the video as to the breakdown of these fees when doing the depositing of money. All right, guys, let's go deeper into how much the foreign currency exchange rate will affect the actual money that you transfer across to the United States. Once you've logged into your Stake account, you can either head to this link or you can click account, select funds and balances and add funds, and you'll be brought to this page. So in the first form field, we have the amount we'd like to transfer. Then we have the method of transfer. We have online banking with Poly, debit, credit card, and bank transfer. Poly is probably the most convenient if you weren't going to use a credit card, but your bank needs to support Poly. You have two options then. You can choose the regular or the express option. Your express option is an extra fee of 0.5%, as you can see, and the time difference, it's a lot quicker, as you can see, a couple of days and the start of the market as opposed to the end of the market. Okay, our second option is debit credit card. This is by far the fastest method, and if you're looking to take advantage of your interest-free period with your credit card, then this is the way to go, but it is definitely the most expensive method as well. Not only are you going to pay that 0.5% express funding fee for doing express, you'll also pay the 2% credit card surcharge as well. So these are the fees here, and you can see the total amount of money you will receive in US dollars based on the spot FX rate. If we change this to a normal method, we'll get it pre-market Thursday. Today is a Tuesday in Australia. And you can see that your fees will be a lot smaller without the express fee in there of 0.5%. And the final method is the one that I use, simply because my bank does not support Poly at the moment. And this is quite reasonable, but you still will need to wait on average 1 to 2 business days, depending on when you place the bank transfer from your standard bank account to your Macquarie stake account, and then you can transfer it. So providing I had funds in my account now, in the Australian Macquarie account, I could then transfer it straight away, and I'd only inflict the $17.50 FX fee, okay, for an amount of $2,500. Once your account is funded, you'll see your buying power up the top here, and you can start placing trades. Let's head over to the search panel, and let's search for Tesla. Here's the company. Simply click it, and we get taken to the company page. You can update the chart from candlestick to a type of line graph. We've got time frames, weekly, monthly, yearly. Change that back to candlestick. We can see some fundamentals as well about the company, the current trading stock price, the profit for the year or the time frame that we have selected up the top. And we've got a little bit blurb about the company here as well. Going down further, we can see some more fundamental data about the company and some news articles and other related companies. If we were to buy this company, simply click the buy button, and if you're on the limited or the black tier premium pack, then you can see the limit and the stop order as well. Let's say we want 100 shares, and we're going to set a limit price of 1,300. We can automatically see that we have insufficient funds to place that trade. If I had sufficient funds, this would be a buy button, and simply a matter of doing that to put the order into the market. If you are on just the standard package, you will probably just see market, and you're just going to type in a dollar amount that you want to place, and you'll be allocated a certain amount of shares based on that. And this is purely estimated because once you get filled when the market opens, this could be anything, right? If you are day trading, then you will just get filled at whatever you can get filled at. Okay, pretty standard, and sell is exactly the same. The sell functionality is disabled to me because I no longer have Tesla stock. There you have it. Very easy to place trades on stake. Here's a couple of improvements and things that I would love to see that's fixed in upcoming updates. Stake currently has 2 separate websites. One's for the platform and your trading account, and the other is a promotional marketing site with information about the company. I think they could easily just have one website for this and have that information from the marketing site on that. But I'm sure there's a specific reason why they've done that. I don't think it's necessary. They currently don't offer margin trading. I would love to be able to trade with a bit of margin, especially at a low rate from America. That would be an awesome feature. They currently don't allow trading on the ASX, which ultimately means that I need to open up with another broker and then manage that account separately, and then deal with extra paperwork and things like that at tax time as well. There's currently a limitation of charts. The charts are very, very basic within the platform. Ultimately, I'll use another tool to do my charting work, and there's people that are just dedicated their work to having great charting. That's all they do, and that's where they thrive. Currently, there is no good to cancel orders, so all orders are cancelled at the end of the market close. There's times where I just want to set a price and just leave the order there until it gets triggered. I don't want to have to be doing that every day, so that can be a bit tedious. There's no stop loss order, only buy stop order, which isn't particularly useful when your orders are closed at the end of the market day. There's very limited research, only links to news articles. Once again, there are brokers and other websites that do much better research and dedicated towards that. And this leads on to very limited fundamentals as well on the site, which, I go else for as well. Okay, let's cover some of the positives. Once you sign up with Stake, they'll automatically open a Macquarie bank account for you, and you'll be able to control this account. You'll receive all the details for that, so you can access that account like you would any other bank account. The sign-up process is very simple and easy to go through. You'll have instant ID verification as part of that process to be up and running within minutes. Your W8 BEN form will automatically be completed for you with the $5 fee automatically taken from your account once you fund your account. Website and mobile app are very easy and simple to use. You'll be able to start trading quite simply. Stake and partners are fully regulated. They are also partnered with members of the SIPC, the Securities Investors Protection Corporation, for up to $500,000 USD in your account. And the kicker at the moment is they're giving away free stock. Once you sign up, you will be given a free stock, either in GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike, after you deposit $50 or more into your account within 24 hours. So I did mention a lot of improvements, and that kind of comes off the back of using Stake for the last 3 years and being a customer of theirs. And I would recommend anyone to the platform. Their support is awesome. They're a good team, and it's also supporting an Australian company. So in saying that, give them a go. Depends on your trading though. So if your trading style is day trading, you probably already know that Stake isn't exactly the right broker for you, because you don't have that platform and the live prices to get in and out at a fast pace. For people that are just on the medium to long term trades, it's much better play for you guys. So in saying that, I can see a lot of potential for Stake, and there's a lot of business certainly coming their way, especially with investors pouring into the market over this period of time in history with the COVID-19 pandemic, and people wanting to try and get in at the bottom. Competition is definitely heating up, with eToro entering the Australian market, providing $0 US commission on its trades through its platform. We've also just seen IG Markets set their $0 commission on US trades as well. A couple of the really good platforms out there, you've got Robinhood and Webull, still only available to US customers, but should they enter the Australian market, they'll be quite formidable. So at least give Stake a go, guys. It's awesome. It's just fun, and you're supporting a great Australian business. If you sign up, please use my referral code. That will get you a free stock in GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. And I don't know how they determine which one you get. It's kind of the luck of the draw, but give it a go. You'll need to add in $50 or more within 24 hours of signing up. Highly recommend it. Please let me know what you guys think of the video, things that I could do to improve. And if you're trading with Stake, let me know your current thoughts and how you think they could improve. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.